Right, this video, how to change the pollen filter in a 45. Well, the easiest bit, well, actually the hardest bit is getting the glove box off, which isn't hard at all. The next bit, really, you have to be aware it's actually located here, the filter. So we have to take out this, I think it's a 10mm, and I think what looks like just a Phillips screw, really, just like a security screw, to take this bar out the way, take this connector out the way, and then we just pull the whole thing out, I suspect. I do have a second-hand vent to put in, which I will just do so now. Just slot it. Right, you have to have it actually completely shut, so that notch goes through this notch at the bottom, and then it just simply goes through. He says, there we go. You just have to give it a bit of a slam and done. Yeah, there we go, nice and open, and it isn't broken. So that is one thing in this car. Oh, my head torch has decided to go. And alternatively, you may want to use an 8mm spanner. In fact, an 8mm socket side we can actually get both sizes. Even though there's a Phillips on one of the sizes, it's all good. So I take it all out, and then we can swing the bar away. Now, I don't know if this is deliberate, but that bolt is not an 8mm, it is a 10. Now this could be for security reasons, so you'll need an 8 and a 10. And what you'll have to do next is just push it forward a little bit and then just slide it away. There we go, it's gone. Right, excuse if the light goes, because that's my head torch. Now we can just unplug this connector by pushing these tongues sideways and then just pulling. There we go. All right, underneath where I've got my hand, I didn't see this before, you've got this tag. You've just got to pull it this way and then push forward. Just be careful, and then it should literally just pop straight out like that, and that's the cover completely out the way. Put down there, you should just be able to get your hands in and just pull this whole thing out. So just get my fingers. Oh goodness me, why is this such a problem? There we go, just get the bottom and grip it. Let's have a look at this filter. Oh yeah, I mean, to be fair, that is not bad at all. I've seen filters far worse than this. That is actually pretty good. And we're going to discard that over there in the corner of darkness and fit the new one. And next we just get our Borg and Beck filter, which is exactly the same as the old one. There is a quite a difference between the two of these, but essentially you put it back exactly the same way. You just make sure that this seal, I mean, inside here doesn't look too bad at all actually. I will actually have a look, put the torch in, and oh dearie me, that's there's quite a lot of stuff in there. I'm gonna have to look at that and clean that out before it's worth doing this actually, in case leaves have got in. And once you've cleared the housing, remember the filter goes in this way with the seal going this way. So just slide it in. There we go. There you go, nicely. Just give it a bit of a wiggle. And there we go. Lovely. And just slip the cover back on. We've got, that's the top, and that's the bottom, so don't confuse the two. So it just hinges off the top, so just put it on like that, and then just clip the bottom back on. In fact, what have I done? In fact, just done that like that. That's not how you do it, Andrew. There we go, hinge it off the top, and oh, did you hear that? There you go, 2 clicks, one from the bottom, one from the top, and that is nice and secure, and that is in. Lovely. Just reconnect this plug if I can find out where it's orientation. go, done. And just hook the bar back in, and then you are done. Just worthy note, and make sure that the bar sits, there's a groove top to it. Just make sure it sits down like that, because the bolts here, the bolt holes here are for the glove box. So just make sure they're sitting, and then put the bolts back in. And that is as simple as it gets for a pollen filter change. Really, you drop in the glove box, that's 2 bolts, 4 bolts, a connector and a clip. That is as simple as it gets. Take care, guys. I'll see you very soon. Oh, actually, before I forget, just an update on what's going on with this leak. It is still leaking even after the seam sealer. I think it has improved, but we need to go over it again. It is definitely coming from that little corner. I am actually cleaning that corner up a little bit more now. So, future episodes coming. See you soon, guys. Bye bye.